does it. Now, they have this new technology called Skyping, where you can video call your friends. It's hilarious. Because I'm waiting for my girl Lulu to call me back because she was supposed to be here to be hanging out here with me today. And I don't know where the hell she is. It's so crazy. You know, we had a big snowstorm and I... Ooh! Ooh! She's calling me! Ooh! 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 She's calling me! Look! I think it's work. Lulu! Girl, what you been doing to your hair? How's it...
Oh my God, I tell you, with the way this weather's been, I cut my weave. I was so mad.
Oh, you cut your weave! Oh no! Girl, this scalping thing is weird. Your hair looks terrible. You shouldn't have cut your weave, girl. Now you're going to have to get that shit redid.
I know it, but I can't help it. You know how it gets when you get all angry and depressed. And I couldn't take it no more.
I know. I was hoping that we was going to hang out today. Because I got...
I can't even get out my front door. It snowed like over 2 feet. And I can't even walk down the stairs.
2 feet? With the wind down here at the lake at my house, I got 3 feet of snow. I can't even open my front damn door.
No, I don't know what we're going to do, but I think we're snowboarding.
We are snowboarding. We're snowbound. We're snow bunnies.
You know what? You
What?
know what I thought about?
What?
If I could talk to Jack Frost right now, I'd tell him to go off somewhere.
Go off? Well, I would too. I'd tell that little bastard to kiss my cornhole.
Yeah, if he could find it in this damn snow, he probably would.
I know. Oh, my bra strap is falling out and got me all excited. Oh, I just can't believe this day. It's the middle of March, girl. And here we are in 3 feet of damn snow. And it's cold out.
That weatherman's a liar. And he said that snow wasn't going to start till 1 o'clock. And damn it, if it didn't start at 9 a.m. And it hadn't stopped all night.
I know. What the hell is up with that? It's crazy.
Knock me open a beer to start my day.
Good for you. Ooh, that's a big bear.
Damn straight, girl, I need a big one to get through this.
Me too, girl.
Today.
Oh, I got my wine spritzers. Wink, wink. It's a whole bunch of scotch and a very little water. Cheers, girl.
Got it going on, then.
Cheers.
Have it.
Cheers.
Like that.
Toast me.
Put the straw over here. Let me see if I can put my lips on it and take a sip.
Don't put your lips on it. I know where your lips have been, and I don't know where they've been.
Well, lately they've been in a damn snowbank because I fell down face forward.
How'd you fall down face forward in the snow? What the hell were you doing out in the snow? What?
I couldn't see the steps.
Oh, my heavenly aching booby traps.
I'm telling you. Hey, at least you got some. At least if you fall down, you'll be able to get up.
Exactly. This is like spring loaded right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Spring loaded.
Yeah, your hair's looking real good today.
Oh, thanks. I just did a brand new Ogilvy home perm. It's hard to find that shit. I gotta pay $50 a box for it now online.
That's nice.
I know, and just like when we were teenagers, I still get high off the fumes.
Well, I wish I had some of that today, because I need something to get through this.
I know you do, girl. I feel so bad for you. It's so sad. You got alcohol.
Yep, I got a whole can of it.
Oh! Open up your birthday gift I gave you last month.
All right.
It has a DVD in it. It's midget Asian porn.
Let me go get it. Hang on a second.
You laughed your ass off. It's hilarious. Midget Asian porn is it's almost like the new Twilight series. It's gonna take over that shit.
I got it. Let me open it up.
All right. I got you your big bucket of strawberry daiquiri.
Look, you got this.
Oh, that's right. I can't believe it's not butter. Oh, no, that's margarita salt.
Yes, it is. Best part of the box.
She's talking. I can't hear her. It's like...
This is the best thing that's in the box. I had to take a drink real quick.
Jose Cuervo, girl, you better get in your truck and head on down here.
Jolean, I love you, girl. Thanks for that porno and all this liquor. I'm going to have a great day now.
Whoop, whoop. Yeah. All right, girl. Well, where the hell did you go?
I'm right here. I had to take another drink.
All right. Here, one more toast to us little snow bunnies crammed and stuffed in our houses that can't get out, and F Jack Frost.
Yeah, and the weatherman who can't seem to get it right.
That's right, that stupid weatherman. Cheers.
Here's to you, girl.
Here's to us. Mmm. Ah! Brain freeze! Son of a bitch! Ah! Oh! 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 Okay, I love you, Lulu. Thanks for joining me.
Oh, I had a little gas there from that. Damn, girl.
You can't burp like Jolean. I can't burp right now. Oh, no. Ooh, I threw up a little bit.
Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, I tasted like...
I love you and have a good day. I'll talk to you soon.
I love you too. Talk to you soon. Bye, girl. Mwah.
Bye for now.
Bye for now. So this is Jolean Thorton. Thanks for joining me and my friend Lulu, my best girl. Are you still on there, Lulu?
Yes, I am. I'm trying to find the button to shut the damn thing off.
Say bye to the audience. Ooh, see, that's Jolean burp. All right. This is Jolean Thornton saying thank you for joining me for my show, Jolean Does It. And until next time, bye for now. Ooh, it's my insurance agent. Oh, it's text from prison. Hold on.